Alright. Girl, get it together. What is going on? Oh! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if you just saw my hairy armpits. Oh my god. I'm doing a haul today, as you can probably see from the title. But first, I have to tell you a story about this package that I have here. This is from Missguided. I waited for this all day today because I saw on the tracking page that it was supposed to be delivered today, and so I stayed home all day because it said that they needed my signature. I can't talk. So I literally stayed home all day, and then when I finally decided to take Mateo out to the playground, I saw the DHL truck leaving my neighborhood, and I was like, no. So right as you leave the gates, the leasing office is right there. So he stopped right there, and I was at the playground, so I could see the truck. So I had Mateo's little card with me. He has a, like, one of the cards that you push and he goes, whatever. I had the little card with me. I had my phone, my keys, I had Mateo. I grabbed the card, grabbed Mateo, I grabbed everything, and I bolted. The thing is that I thought my leasing office was closed, so he was trying to deliver the package there, but I thought he wouldn't be able to. So I was just running. He was like leaving as I was getting there, so I stopped and I was like, wait! I need my package. He was like, oh, I just dropped it off at the office. And then the office was literally about to close in a minute. So I walked in, I was like, that's my package. And I got it, and it was like the most exercise I've ever done in my life. But I got the package so I could do the video today. So I actually ordered from Missguided because Elle from Elle & Babes did a haul the other day, and I've never ordered from Missguided before, but she did a haul and she looked cute and everything. So most of the things that I got are the same things that she got. It's pretty much all basics, but it's all really cute, and I can't wait to open it because I honestly forgot what I got. But first we're gonna get into the other things, and I'm gonna do the Missguided stuff last. I've been talking for long enough. Let's get into the haul. So a lot of these things are actually from TJ Maxx. I got these cute little mink pink leggings, and they have this pattern on the legs, and it's super cute, and it has like mesh, like a little mesh opening right there. This is from the brand Mink Pink, and I got the matching bra to go with it. So maybe this will motivate me to go work out. But this is how the bra looks like. It's so cute and it's so flattering. Next thing I got at TJ Maxx is this Calvin Klein long sleeve crop top. It's super cute. I love Calvin Klein, and it was like $15. It has a little Calvin Klein logo right there. It's adorable. I love my crop tops. Also from TJ Maxx, I got this shirt, just a plain black shirt to put over the little outfit that I got. And this is a Nike shirt, but it's pretty simple. I got this coconut water hair mist to freshen up my hair when I'm not washing it, because I have those days. I don't know if you can relate if you have like curly or wavy hair, but my hair gets really frizzy, and if I tie it up, it like just stays like scrunched up. I don't know how to explain it, but I got this so that on those days I could just freshen up my hair and like style it again. And then I got this huge hydro flask. So I have been trying to drink more water. All I ever really drink is water, but I don't drink water as often as I used to. I'm really bad at it, so I got this so that I could drink at least 2 of these a day. It's huge. It's like 64 ounces, and it was $35, but I feel like this is a lot more expensive online. Hydro flasks in general are really expensive, so I'm so happy that they sell these at TJ Maxx now. That is all I got at TJ Maxx. And then from Kohl's the other day, I got these 2 biker shorts because they were on sale. And I'm always wearing these like around the house, so I just got some black ones and some gray ones. And I got this candle. It's amazing. It's vanilla sugar. I really wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. But yeah, I don't know. This is by the brand Hawkwood. I've never really heard of it, but this is a repurposed wine bottle, so that's really cool. Then from Urban Outfitters, I got 2 things. I got this white bandeau top because I have been needing one to wear under shirts, and I got some really cute shorts. Pretty self-explanatory. I don't know how to describe things. It's cute. And then, guys, this is like my most expensive skincare purchase of all time. It hurt a little bit to purchase this, but I have been wanting this for so long that I was just like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. And honestly, I don't regret it. It is the Fresh Black Tea Instant Perfecting face mask, and it was really expensive. I'm not even gonna say how much it is because I know my mom's watching this and she's judging me, but I'm sorry, Mom. So from the very first moment that I used this, I noticed a huge difference in my skin. If you follow my vlogs, then you probably know that I've had pretty bad skin over the last couple of months, and this really helps, like within one use, which is amazing. It has antioxidants, and I don't know, it's like the softest thing in the world. So I've noticed a huge difference in my skin since using this. Obviously it's not gonna like completely clear up my acne because I feel like what I have is something much more than just like on the surface of my skin, but it really did help a lot with shrinking my pimples. And keep in mind, I don't know if my skin really does look good on camera right now, but I have only powder foundation on my face. I barely have any makeup on, so I think my skin is looking a little bit better, but I don't want to jinx it. And now onto the Missguided package that I'm going to open here on camera. That's a little bit creepy. Oh my god. So I bought a lot of things because they were having a 50% off sale. I've always heard really good things about Missguided, so I took advantage of it. First thing is, I don't know what this is. Let's open it. I'm really hoping everything fits. I got like so many different sizes because I don't know how the sizing works. So I'm really hoping these fit. Should I try it on camera? I'm just gonna do this Ellen Babe style and try it on camera and see if it fits. This is some biker shorts that I got, and these are a little bit longer than the ones that you guys just saw that I got from Kohl's. Pretty sure these are gonna fit. Oh my god, they have like no stretch. These are a US size 2, so let's see. They fit, they're really snug. I have a mom belly, don't mind that. And I'm not gonna turn around because I'm on my period and I'm wearing a pad and you can probably like 100% see it. What is this? I got something like camel print and it looks really weird. This is like completely different than the camel print I was imagining. This is a shirt, and this is also a US size 2, but it's super big. Pretty sure it's supposed to be oversized. I'm just gonna put it on over this shirt. Oh, this smells so weird. Alright, that's what this looks like. I remember Elle in her video mentioning that this is like something Kim Kardashian would wear. And it totally is. This is like such like a Kanye West brand style type thing, but I really feel like I'm about to go hunting. I got this oversized V front washed something top. This is what that top looks like. It looks really cute with these biker shorts. Oh my god, I feel like Kim Kardashian. No, but this is really cute for real. This is like so comfortable. I love this top. Oh my god, I have like a whole new wardrobe right now. There's so much to go through still. I got some other biker shorts in a blue color, and this is a US size 0. So if these are tight, these are gonna be even tighter. I don't even want to put them on. I'm sure I can squeeze into them, but I'm gonna look like a freaking burrito. I'm not even gonna try those on camera. I'll try those on like later on. Okay, so I got this skirt, and this is a matching set, so let me find the top. This is what the top looks like. It is also orange, the same thing. Like I just said, it's a matching set. All right, I moved my camera so you guys could see what this looks like. It's so cute. Conveniently, I'm wearing panties the exact same color as this right now. The skirt though, super short. I feel so uncomfortable. I don't even know where I would wear this to. But I would probably wear it with like a jacket over the top, and then I would feel more comfortable. And also, I need to start working out, girl. Maybe I'll wear it to like Playlist Live or something. But okay, mom body AF. All right, I got some white biker shorts. You can probably see my underwear through these because they're bright orange, like I said. But I got these biker shorts and the same white shirt that I just showed you in this acid wash, and I really love this wash. Pretty simple. I'm just gonna keep my camera right here because so much easier to show you guys things. I got this cute little collared crop top and these skin colored leggings. They're long leggings, but I'm not gonna like back away because you can really see my underwear through these. I feel like a schoolgirl right now. This is such a weird shirt. Like I don't own anything like this, but it's cute. All right, we only have 2 things left. So I know Elle for sure got this shirt because I remember that it said Miami. It's super oversized. I'm pretty sure I got like the smallest size, and it's very oversized. But I also got these other biker shorts. These are black, but these are like, I know, ribbed material. I actually don't like these. They're not from the same collection, I don't think. Did I say Sane? I meant same. But I don't like these because they flare out right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. So they kind of like flare out at the bottoms, and I mean, I do have very skinny legs, but they're tight everywhere else, so I don't understand what's going on here. I mean, they don't look terrible, but they look kind of weird. But we have finally reached the end of this haul. I tried to go through this as fast as I could, so I hope this video is not too long. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what else you want to see, or if you want to see more hauls or whatever, let me know, because I really enjoyed doing this. I feel like I don't look good in oversized shirts because I'm like small. It's like swallowing me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!